Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how to actually replace the vacuum Shrader valve on a 2008 Volkswagen Jetta. My AC is leaking and I found that it's actually leaking from the connection. It's actually leaking from this area right here. And now there's a video online showing how to replace this. So I'm showing you how to replace the Shrader valve on a 08 Volkswagen Jetta to prevent leaks. I got this kit on Amazon. It's a 41-piece AC valve core, and then I had problems locating the Shrader valve for this specific car, and then I found this for Shrader, for Jetta and also for BMW, which is right here. And then I'm trying to replace this. So the kit comes with this tool which has a wider end right here, which allows me to remove it and then actually put it. So I'm going to see if this works. Okay, it works. Slides in. Oh, okay. And it's gonna slide out. Okay, so we got it out. And this is what it looks like. Zoom in for you guys. This is what it looks like. It's kind of condensation in here, oily, and now we're gonna replace it. I'm gonna show you a quick video where I noticed before. So guys, just give you a quick overview. This is the one I got from the car. See how it looks, and the package that I got, I guess it's the name got mismatched, but the second one says for BMW, which is the blue one right here, is actually the one that's supposed to fit. Yeah, so just giving you a heads up of this is the old one and the new one is right here. If you went to my last video, this is the one we're gonna use. For some reason they labeled it wrong incorrectly or not, so I'm gonna try these ones right here, the same color. They're the same color as the other one, kind of. Still looks the same, so I'm gonna with this one instead of the other one that says actually for Jetta, because it don't fit. So put it in here, see if it fits, and it fits. And then it's gonna slide it in. Okay, it's getting tight, so couple snugs. Yeah, come on, tighter than before. Okay, that should do it. For this side, I wonder if this side as well is the same thing. Yeah, it kind of looks the same thing. So, gonna come in here and break it loose. Okay, so we also got the low high pressure side, and it's pretty much the same thing. So put it down as well, since we have a whole kit on. Hopefully that fixed our leaking problem. I wish I could show you guys how it was before. Actually it was before because it was leaking out. So yeah, so we'll see how that works out. Okay, so you want to put this in here and then let it go in slowly and then try to thread it in my hand. So get the grooves, then use the tool and get it inserted. Okay, so can you see? Yep, so we got it tied it in, hand tighten, and then that should be good. We're gonna put back your caps back on. You won't leak. And then I'm gonna try and test it out next video, see if it actually leaks out. So that's the video how to just changing the video how to just change the. So that's how you actually replace Shrader valves. And next video I'll update you if it leaks or not. It reading 0, so that means there's no leak. I had 3 on in a while.